affiliates getting 6.6 million monthly views. And if you do the math on that and just divide by 0.0001%, you get 660. And then if you times that by the average order value, that's $55, meaning this affiliate is making around $30,000 a month. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can start Pinterest affiliate marketing. Alright, so the first step is to come over to Pinterest.com and you're going to want to sign up for an account. Now you can use whatever email you would like, and I'm going to go ahead and make an account and I'll be back once my account is created. Alright, so now once your account is created right here, you're going to want to choose a niche. So as you've seen in the beginning, they were doing the woodworking niche and he was making $30,000 a month. And you can really do whatever niche you want to do. So for this tutorial, I think we're just going to do the woodworking niche because that's the one you saw in the beginning. So we're going to promote Ted's Woodworking, which has sold 119 times in the past 180 days. So this is a very hot product. And we're just going to go ahead and go to the affiliate page. And you can read up about this if you'd like. Just tells you can earn up to $125 a sale and 75% commission. Just gonna want to scroll down. It should be your affiliate link right here. So this is your affiliate link. I'll go ahead and open up a notepad. All right, and then you're gonna want to copy this link right here and you're gonna paste it in here. In these X's right here, you're gonna want to put your affiliate URL or your affiliate username. So on Clickbank, you can just go ahead and make your own affiliate username. So I'll just put make money Lucas. Okay, this is your affiliate link. Make sure to copy this and I'll show you how to test it. You're going to want to copy this and go to the link, and as you can see, it's the page where they can watch the video. And if they scroll all the way down, there should be a button to buy. Let me find it here. Here we go. And if you scroll all the way down, you get to all the way to the end of the sales page. You can see that it says none right here. That is because my username doesn't exist, but yours will be here. Well, it'll actually be a string of a bunch of letters and numbers. But Clickbank does this to just protect you, so you don't have to worry about that. But it should be under here. If it says affiliate equals none, then double check your link. Make sure it is the right link. Only reason why it doesn't say anything for me is because this username doesn't exist on Clickbank. So anyways, once you have your link, you're gonna make sure you get your link and you're gonna want to copy it. Okay, so once you're on system.io and you've signed up here, you're gonna want to go up here to the funnels section and you're going to want to create your own funnel. Okay, now you can choose whatever you like. I'll just do woodworking and we're gonna do build an audience. Okay, and the currency doesn't really matter. You can change it to whatever currency you want. But we're going to do build an audience and click save. Okay, now when we're going to click on our landing page and you're going to see here that it gives you a bunch of templates that you can choose. So I'm just going to go ahead and make one from scratch. So I'll just choose this basic one. You're going to want to click edit page. All right, and then when we're on here, I'm just going to go ahead and delete everything because I'm going to make mine from scratch. So we're going to just delete all the boxes and everything. All right, and once everything's deleted, we're going to go ahead and make a simple landing page. All right, and then for our landing page, we're going to need to find some ideas to build a simple landing page. So what I like to do is go to the Facebook ad library right here, and you can just Google that, and then you're going to click on the first link. And when you're here, you're going to want to make sure to do add category and click all ads. And then we're going to do woodworking projects. Okay, and it's going to load a bunch of ads that people are running for woodworking projects. So we're going to just look for one that is doing the Ted's Woodworking affiliate plans. All right, and then we found this one right here. So we're going to go ahead and click on the see ad details, and you can see his whole ad right here. Now he directs immediately to the sales page, which you really don't want to do. You want to be collecting emails or have a landing page in between. All right, and then now when we're on this page, we're going to want to add a basic headline text, and we're just going to use one of Ted's woodworking landing pages. We're just going to make something very simple. All right, so we're going to add get instant access to, and we're going to do 16,000 free woodworking plans, 16,000 woodworking plans, because our product is advertising 16,000 woodworking plans, as you can see right here. And we're going to go ahead and write this, and you can make this a bit bigger. We're going to save this image. You can just go ahead and drag it onto your desktop. I'll just go ahead and copy this as well, just to make it look a bit nicer, just so it looks cleaner. And we're going to just remove a little bit of the spacing, and I like to change these words just to make it look a little cleaner. Okay, so announcing the world's largest collection of get instant access, and we're just gonna delete this front part right here. Right, and we're gonna underline it, announcing the world's largest collection of 1600 woodworking plans. Okay, and then we're gonna go here and add a button to the left. You can make it say, give me, this is the subtext. You don't want to do the subtext, you want to do the button text. We're gonna say, give me my woodworking plans. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and make the font a little bigger just so it sticks out. And personally, I don't really like all this space right here, so you can just mess around with the margin and make it go even lower if you want. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and change the font to a much cleaner font, and change the color of the button to be the color of the text right here. And then if you want to get rid of this little annoying blue line underneath, we'll just go here and remove the border. Or you can do, yeah, that's fine. All right, and I like to add a little shadow. Okay, perfect. So now this looks pretty good. You can see it on the phone. It looks a little good too. You can always make this a little bit bigger just so it looks better on the phone. Okay. All right. So now on this button right here, you want to copy your link, your affiliate link that you got from earlier, and you're gonna, on the left here, you're gonna click on the button. It's gonna say action when button clicked. You're gonna want to do open URL and paste the URL, and you're gonna want to click save changes. And I'll actually change it to mine just so you guys can see. Alright, and then go ahead and click save changes. Now if you click this eye icon right here, you can preview your landing page. So as you can see, announcing the world's largest collection of 1600 woodworking plans, and then you're going to click your link and it's going to bring you here. So that's perfect. That's what we want. So now we're going to go back to Pinterest and we're going to create a theme page for our niche. So for this niche, I'm doing woodworking. So we're going to want to come up with a name here. So I'll say, and we're going to click save. And then for the picture, I recommend going to some site like Pexels and typing woodworking and finding just any picture. So I think this one's pretty good. And we'll just drag that here and change our picture to that. It's going to ask for, and then it's going to change our picture. And then we need to come up with a description about ourselves. So we're going to use ChatGPT for this. So you're going to go to ChatGPT and you're going to ask it, write me a optimized Pinterest description or Pinterest bio about woodworking. Oops, and I kind of spelled that wrong, but it's fine. Okay, and it came up with this. This is really nice. Perfect for our account. So we'll paste that as the about, and then pronouns, you don't have to worry about that. And in username, you want to come up with something so like woodworking lovers 56, and then your website right here. I highly recommend you buy your own domain, but this one works fine. And you're going to want to copy your domain, so go back here and get my domain. Then you're going to go back and paste that right here. And if you want to edit the back part of your domain, you could just say woodworking plans, and it'll update by itself. Click the link right there, go back, paste that right there, and then click save. Perfect. So one more step, you do want to convert to business. I forgot to do this, but you want to convert to business. This is super important. You're going to want to click upgrade, and you could just fill this out. You don't really have to, you don't have to put anything really. You just want to put whatever here. All right, so now it asks you to publish your first post. So for this, we're going to go to tiktok.com, and we're going to open another tab called snaptik.com. Right here, you're going to type in woodworking projects, and as you can see, this guy is doing this too, but on TikTok. We're gonna download this video right here, and I'll actually, instead of using this tool, I'll just show you guys the other way of doing it. So we're gonna copy the link and go over to snaptik.app and paste the link, and then click download, and then you're gonna want to click download right here. You'll get an ad, and here we go. We have the file, so we're gonna drag it to our desktop, and then we're gonna go back to Pinterest, and it's gonna say upload. You're gonna want to drag your video right here, and then it's gonna say upload your title. So we'll just say easy woodworking projects for beginners. Then in the description, we can go back to ChatGPT and ask it to write me a SEO optimized post description about a woodworking project. And this is perfect again. You're gonna go ahead and copy that, go back to Pinterest, paste that here, and you'll see it's a little like too many words. You could just trim it down a little bit. Okay. And now for the tags, you want to add whatever tags your niche is about. So I'll do woodworking, wood projects, wood crafts, and home decor. That's a huge keyword. All right. And then your destination link is going to be your funnel link. So we'll copy this and we will paste it right here. So now we're going to click publish, and it's going to ask you to make a board. So you can just make one real quick. Go ahead and click create. So now this is going to publish to your Pinterest board, and we go back to the page. You can see that this is your page right here, and obviously I don't have any views because I just posted it, but if you stay consistent with this and you post every day, you will be able to start seeing results and start to make crazy money. If you want to get access to my 11-page document going over how I was able to generate $50,000 with only using free organic traffic, make sure to check the description and the pinned comment below. Have an amazing day.